Determine in which area you would like to install your QuietCool solar attic Gable fan. Find the contact points between the roof and the backside of the solar panel. Apply adhesive to the roof and firmly secure the panel to the surface. Now it's time to run the solar panel plug-in cord from the solar panel into the attic through the gable vent. Be sure to include a drip curve in the wire to ensure no water can run down the solar panel plug-in cord and enter the attic through the gable vent. Fasten the fan to the vent frame studs. Once fastened, tighten the 8 mounting bracket nuts to secure the fan flush to the gable vent. Now connect the wire to your solar panel plug-in module. The AFG SLR will automatically turn on if there is sunlight and the temperature is above 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Plug the inverter plug-in cord into the outlet so you can experience 24/7 cooling all year long.